Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 exercise bikes in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading exercise bike that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The DMASUN Exercise Bike. Today, we'll dive into its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your home gym. The DMASUN bike boasts a 30-pound solid flywheel and thick alloy steel frame, ensuring a sturdy and smooth ride. It supports users up to 300 pounds confidently. This bike operates at a whisper-quiet level, producing less than 20 dB of sound. Enjoy an immersive workout experience without disturbing others. With a wide range of resistance levels, from easy to challenging, this bike caters to all fitness levels. The updated wool felt pads ensure a smooth, squeak-free ride. The digital display tracks time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse, providing real-time feedback on your workout progress. Stay informed and motivated. Equipped with an electronic device stand, water bottle holder, non-slip pedals, and transport wheels, the DMASUN bike is designed for convenience and comfort. In conclusion, the DMASUN exercise bike offers stability, quiet operation, adjustable resistance, real-time monitoring, and user-friendly features. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine at home. Number 4. The MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bike S08. This bike is perfect for home workouts, offering smart Bluetooth connectivity and an exclusive app for a seamless fitness experience. The MERACH app provides various training modes, including free training, target practice, and timed sessions. Track your progress with live metrics and stay motivated throughout your fitness journey. With 8 levels of quiet and smooth magnetic resistance, you can customize your workout. Levels 1 to 3 are for warm-ups, 4 to 6 for bodybuilding, and 7 to 8 for intense mountain climbing. The built-in heart rate handle helps you monitor your pulse. Adjust your workout intensity based on real-time heart rate data to optimize your cardio endurance and overall fitness. The LCD monitor displays essential workout data like distance, time, calories burned, and heart rate. Keep track of your achievements and stay motivated to reach your fitness goals. In conclusion, the MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bike S08 is a fantastic addition to any home gym. With its smart features and comfortable design, it's perfect for all fitness levels. Number 3. The WENOKER Indoor Cycling Bike. This bike promises a smooth, quiet ride with a heavy flywheel, silent belt drive, and an upgraded LCD monitor. WENOKER has outdone itself with this upgraded model. The heavy-duty aluminum steel construction ensures stability, while the sleek black and red design adds a chic touch to any space. Say goodbye to noisy workouts. The inertia-enhanced flywheel and ABS material belt pulley provide a quiet, smooth motion, making it perfect for shared spaces without disturbing others. The upgraded LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, calories, and odometer. With unlimited resistance levels, you can simulate various terrains, from flat roads to mountain trails. This bike comes with a tablet holder and water bottle holder, ensuring you stay hydrated and entertained during your workouts. The comfortable seat cushion adds to the overall comfort. In conclusion, the WENOKER Indoor Cycling Bike is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their home workouts. Its stability, quiet operation, and thoughtful features make it a top choice. Number 2. The YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. This bike promises a smooth, quiet ride with a comfortable seat cushion and tablet mount. Let's dive in. The YOSUDA bike features a 30 pounds flywheel and a heavy-duty steel frame, ensuring stability. Its belt-driven system offers a smoother and quieter ride, perfect for home use. Designed for intense workouts, this bike is sturdy and stable. It supports up to 300 pounds, providing a safe exercise experience for all users. With a two-way adjustable handlebar and four-way padded seat, this bike fits users from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. The wide range of resistance levels suits all family members. The LCD monitor tracks your pulse, time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Plus, the tablet mount lets you enjoy music or videos while working out. Conclusion: in the YOSUDA indoor cycling bike is a fantastic choice for home workouts. It's stable, safe, and packed with features to enhance your fitness journey. Number 1. The pooboo exercise bike. This indoor cycling bike promises a smooth, quiet ride with adjustable resistance and a sturdy build. Let's dive into its features. The pooboo bike boasts a heavy-duty steel frame and a 30 pounds flywheel, ensuring stability. Its belt-driven system offers a smooth, silent ride, perfect for apartments or homes with kids. With a two-way adjustable handlebar and four-way padded seat, this bike fits users of various heights. The wide range of resistance levels makes it ideal for all fitness goals. Track your progress with the digital monitor, which records time, speed, distance, and calories. The tablet holder keeps your devices secure, so you can enjoy entertainment while working out. Safety is key with the pooboo bike. The resistance bar stops the flywheel instantly, and transport wheels make it easy to move. Adjust resistance with a simple twist for varied workouts. Burn fat, build core muscles, and strengthen your heart with this bike. Its multi-grip handlebar and adjustable resistance cater to both beginners and pros, ensuring an effective workout. In conclusion, the pooboo exercise bike is a fantastic choice for home cardio. With its solid build, adjustability, and safety features, it's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.